one. Let's get the Petmobile back from the bottom of the sea. Here it is.
Oh, what happening?
You sunk the Petmobile, Orphle.
Whoopsie!
We have to get it out of the sea.
Over help!
Okay, let's work together and lift it up. You helped us save the Petmobile, and it's never been cleaner. Woohoo! Yay!